All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get reviews for your books the day you launch them using an advanced reading team. Hey everybody, I'm Emeka from My Self-Publishing Blueprint, and today I want to show you how I use Clickfunnels to build my funnel, my squeeze page, my thank you page, and a bit more to build or to get emails so I can build a review team so when I launch new books, I have reviews launch with them right away. All right, if you're not familiar with Clickfunnels, it's just one of those softwares that at some point you're going to want to get in order to keep growing your online business. I personally just adore Clickfunnels. I've been using them for a few years, a lot for my publishing business. It allows me to set up great looking squeeze pages, great thank you pages. I can also sell products, my books or other products directly through Clickfunnels to my readers just because of all the different integrations. It's really your all-in-one stop, and it's a reason that Clickfunnels is at the top of their game in terms of this type of software here. So I want to talk about advanced reading teams. If you don't know what an advanced reading team is, it's a group of people separate from your main email list. It's a group of people that are on another email list that you send advanced copies of your books to, and they read them, they review them, and or I should say, they read them, they review them, and then when you launch your book on Amazon, they go onto Amazon and they leave reviews right then and there. This is great for a few reasons. One, this replaces review swaps 110%. I have a niche that I've been in since almost going on 2 years. I've done 0 review swaps. I've built up this niche by using purely organic traffic through social media, but then the review team is the reason that I can launch my books and get reviews right away. And if you think about it, any large author publisher, they use advanced review teams. Some of the people that are kind of a little closer to us, like Steve Scott, Hallara, Barry Davenworth, they all use advanced review teams. That's the reason that they're able to, grow and launch their books with some 10, 20, 30, 40. John Vroman, when he launched his book, The Front Row Factor, we had an advanced review team. We managed, it was like 81 or 86 reviews on day one of people who were excited about his book. And if I remember, I'll put the link up here, or up here, wherever, so you can check out my video I did on that. But it was 80 plus people who left a review on day one for his book. So you can imagine what that's telling Amazon and what type of social proof it shows. So other people start buying it, other people start leaving reviews, and it just starts snowballing from there. This is what you have to do to replace review swaps. You're going to do this, what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you want to replace review swaps, let's follow along and let me show you what we're doing. So this is Clickfunnels. This is dashboard. I will have a 14-day free trial, link in the description. And as a bonus, what I'm actually going to build for you right here, anyone who signs up with my link, I will send you this exact funnel, what I'm going to build for you, but you're also going to get some bonus funnels that I'll build that I've been using for my publishing business as well. So more info in the description for that. All right, so this is what the dashboard looks like. When you start off, you're just going to click New Funnel, Create New Funnel, collect emails, you're going to name it, and it's going to build the funnel for you. That's going to take you right here. So I already got one that, for demonstration purposes, there's no steps in here yet, but we're going to add that in right now. So we're going to add a new step. Click on Add New Step. This is going to be our opt-in. Create funnel step. And boom, it's going to appear right here. We have our opt-in. We also are going to want a thank you page. Create funnel step. And boom, funnel step. So this is just going to be what we call a 2-step funnel. Okay, so for the opt-in, now we have to create the actual template. So opt-in, email opt-in. So this is, so ClickFunnels gives you some templates here. And we're actually just going to use, why don't we just take this one right here and use this. So it's going to create the template. And then afterwards, we're going to integrate this with, I use Aweber for my emailing service. So we're just going to integrate this with Aweber. So when they enter their info, all that info is sent directly to your Aweber email list. So we're just going to click on Edit Page. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is, there's 3 different things that you can use to build. What's called a section, that's the green one. Okay. What's called a row, that is the blue, and then elements are these. So what we'll do is let's just start off clean. So we're going to delete all of this. Probably could have kept that one actually. All right, come on. All right, cool. So we're going to add a new element, and what we'll do is it's going to bring up a whole bunch of different stuff that you can add here. We're going to add a headline. And why don't we change the font color right away? Just go down here to text, but I believe it's going to be in bold, so we'll just change that to white so it stands out. Join our advanced review team. Review team today, and advanced review team today. And I'm going to cheat. I pre-made this, so I'm just going to show you. Just going to cheat and show you how I've actually made this here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll copy this one. So want your next book for free. And we're going to make this a little bigger here. And I always like, so if these are some computer books, join our cyberpunk review team today. I always kind of like to make them themed with whatever my niche is or whatever brand that I have. So the cyberpunk, right, for computer programming books type of thing. All right. And then what we'll do is, like, let's just delete that entire section there. We'll just delete this one. All right. So now we're going to add a new section. Let's see. We'll just do it wide. Add a row. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 columns. All right. So this is what is the review team, and then we'll add some benefits. We'll list them in bullet points here. Let's make this white. And the purpose of this is I just want to show you how easy it is to build these. And then you would really go in there. You could probably spend, you know, I don't know how long this video is going to take me, but you spend 20, 30 minutes really making this more enticing for your particular brand here. So what is the review team? And then over here, we'll put what is required. And then same thing. So you can also just copy that, hit clone. We'll just drag it right over here. All right, so then if we kind of increase these a little and increase these. Okay, this looks a little lower. No, it should be good. Okay. So one of the benefits, what you can do is, oops, get books for free that reviews are left for. Let's clean that up. Get advanced copies before anyone else. Lots of other perks. So what I do with my books is, for anyone on my advanced review team, I actually give them my book for 50% off, the paperback version. So when they go and leave a review on Amazon, they send me a screenshot of their review or the direct email link, so I know I can verify that they left it. And then I send them a coupon code where they're able to purchase my book for 50% off. If you're giving away your books for free, that's what I started to do in the beginning as I was building my advanced review team. You know, once the reviews left, I would just go into CreateSpace, backend, order a copy at cost, send them to them. So it costs a little, you know, to send them the book, you know, a couple bucks here or there. But the fact that you would spend that anyways if you were getting reviews, if you were like paying a VA to get reviews or whatever the case is. But these are more organic reviews. They're not going to get deleted by Amazon. And you're also engaging with your readers more. So it's just building relationships. And the people that do this buy every single book that you come out with. I've noticed that. The people in my review team, they're always the ones who are purchasing books. And not just one or two books, multiple books at a time. So it's really cool. So what is a review team? Or what do you get? So what do you get? Get books for free that reviews are left for. Get advanced copies for anyone else. Lots of other perks. All right, seems better. Okay, what's required? Why is that not working? Okay. You will get a PDF review copy of the new books. You will read it and then leave a review on Amazon. Send a screenshot of the review to get your free paperback copy. Simple. All right. This is literally a mirrored version of one that I have for one of my niches. It's simple. It's plain. Doesn't have to be fancy, and it converts. All right. So that's good. You can. This is not bolded. We should probably just bold all that. There we go. Okay. And actually, why don't we kind of just stretch this out a little. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay, now we need, where are they going to enter their email info? So we want a new section because this is going to be one row. So we'll do width, one wide again. So row, just one column. All right. And so element, now what we want is we want input. Okay, and we're going to want two because we're going to want the name. Okay, and we're going to separate that a little bit. All right. So email address, and then we'll set this to first name. Your name here. Your name here, that works. You can make it required or not required. Play around with that if you need to. Email address, of course, we're going to want that. Automatically, it's required. Okay, and then right below, we're going to have a button. And so click here to join the team. Right, we want to make it a little bigger. Drop it down just a tad. Cool. Simple, right? You can maybe add a picture of your book or, you know, whatever the case is, but that's basically what you want to do. You can see how long, I don't know how long that took me to build, but it's a relatively simple, straightforward process. So now once they click on there, oops, we're going to set this action. And what we're going to do is submit order, submit form. So what's going to happen? They enter their info here. They click on this. Clickfunnels is going to capture their info. We're going to integrate it with, like I said, I use Aweber, and Clickfunnels will send all that info over to Aweber or whatever mail service that you're currently using. Just going to save it here. ART stands for Advanced Review Team, if you're wondering. Okay, good. Satisfied with that. Let's go back. All right, so now a thank you page. So now we just go down here. We go to thank you pages. Let's just use this one. All right. So we'll put welcome to the team. Actually, so what we'll do is please check your email for the next up and coming book. And then if you would like to review a book already out in order to get it for free, please email me at, and then, you know, your email. So that you don't have to do that. I offer that because I just want as many reviews for my books as possible. So I offer my review team, hey, if for anyone that's new to join, they get an automatic email saying, hey, if you want to review a book that's already out, email me and I'll get it all set up for you. So we don't need this, so we would just delete that, and probably don't need that. Cool. You can probably make this thank you page a little nicer. I even have links to bundles of my books on the thank you page, just so they can. I just like putting my books in front of them at all times, because that's how you can sell more books using this method here. So let's just save this. Okay. So now the integrations. So all you're going to do is you're going to go to integrations. You're going to add new integration. Click on that. You're going to find whatever email you're using, Aweber, for example. Connect, integrate. I'm not going to connect just because I don't need to for this one. You'll give it a nickname, hit click, connect, and then it says note sign up form should be selected from your Aweber account. So you go into your Aweber account, the new list that you've just created for this review team, the new list. You create a sign up form for them, and that's all. You don't have to publish sign up form or anything like that. You just create it. It doesn't have to look pretty because you're not using it. And then you'll link it. I'll show you where you link it. You'll go back to your funnel. And then what you'll do is integrations right here, and then you'll select the integration, the action, add to the list that you created, and it's done. All right. So now people can go to the, so you'll put your URL, you would make this a pretty one. You put this inside your book, apart from your regular lead magnet, then you'll have this offer. I always do offer in the front, offer in the back. And you put the URL, they'll come to this page that we just made. They'll enter their info, boom, join the team. That info is now on Aweber to the list. You can set up your autoresponders, whatever. Now, once you have once you're ready to launch a new book, I use Google Drive to host my books and share them with my review team. If you're looking for more details on that, that is something that that is taught. There's a full webinar on that in the Self-Publishing Accelerator Group Mentoring Program. But this is the basic way of how to get started. Okay. So, like I said, if you have any questions about this or more ClickFunnels in general, please comment below. If you use the 14-day trial, what I'll do is, like I said, I will actually share this funnel that I just made with you. So it's made, it'll be all set up, ready for you to use. All you have to do is tweak it for your particular niche for your review team. This way you can stop using review swaps. You can start getting reviews the right way, the organic way, like how all the pros do it, and helps scale and take your publishing business to the next level. And as a bonus, when you sign up with my link, you're also going to get access to the other funnels for publishers that I've created. Well, I'll have links in the video, in the description rather, so you can check out those videos as well. Until next time, everyone, I'm Emeka. Don't forget to like and hit subscribe as well, and we'll see you in the next video.